GameMaker versus Unity. Which game engine is better? Choosing the right game engine can completely change how you create games without unnecessary complexity. GameMaker offers simplicity and speed, while Unity provides advanced features and flexibility. GameMaker and Unity are two popular game engines, each with a distinct approach. GameMaker focuses on ease of use and rapid development, ideal for 2D games. Unity offers powerful tools and supports both 2D and 3D, catering to more complex projects and diverse platforms. GameMaker is a user-friendly game engine designed primarily for 2D game development. It uses a drag-and-drop interface combined with its own scripting language, GML, which is accessible to beginners and efficient for quick prototyping. GameMaker works by allowing developers to build games visually or through code, streamlining the development process. Its strengths lie in simplicity, fast iteration, and a strong community focused on 2D game creation. This makes it ideal for indie developers, hobbyists, and educators who want to bring ideas to life without deep programming knowledge. However, GameMaker has limitations when it comes to 3D graphics and more complex game mechanics. It also offers fewer customization options compared to more advanced engines. Overall, GameMaker is best suited for users seeking a straightforward tool to develop 2D games quickly, with minimal setup and a gentle learning curve. Unity is a versatile and powerful game engine that supports both 2D and 3D game development. It operates with a comprehensive editor and uses SES as its primary scripting language, offering extensive control and flexibility. Unity's workflow includes scene design, asset management, and real-time rendering, making it suitable for complex projects across multiple platforms including PC, consoles, mobile, and VR. Its strengths include a vast asset store, robust physics engine, and support for advanced graphics and multiplayer features. Unity also benefits from a large developer community and extensive learning resources. However, this power comes with a steeper learning curve and longer development times compared to simpler engines. Unity requires more programming knowledge and can be overwhelming for beginners. It is ideal for professional developers or teams working on large-scale or 3D games who need extensive customization and cross-platform deployment options. Comparing GameMaker and Unity highlights a trade-off between simplicity and power. GameMaker excels in rapid 2D game development with minimal coding, perfect for small teams or solo developers focusing on straightforward projects. Unity, on the other hand, offers unmatched flexibility for 3D games and complex systems, but demands more technical skill and time investment. For example, an indie developer creating a 2D platformer might benefit from GameMaker's intuitive tools and faster prototyping. Meanwhile, a studio developing a 3D multiplayer game would leverage Unity's advanced rendering and networking capabilities. GameMaker's limitations in 3D and scalability contrast with Unity's broader platform support and feature set. Choosing between them depends on project scope, developer experience, and desired game complexity. Choose GameMaker if you want a straightforward, beginner-friendly engine focused on 2D games with fast development and minimal coding requirements. Opt for Unity when you need a powerful, flexible engine capable of handling both 2D and 3D games with advanced features. Unity is the right choice for professional developers or teams aiming for complex multi-platform projects with deep customization options.